take 2 on beach day. So today we're going to try to go to Quimxto Beach. I believe that's how it's pronounced. So we'll see you there.
God, it's quiet out here.
It is very quiet. How long does it take to get to the waterfall?
The waterfall walking is maybe in the 20 and 25 minutes.
25 minutes?
25, yeah.
20 to 45.
Ah.
Okay.
Is it just a waterfall?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm not too fat for him, am I?
No, no fast.
So we've
I'm
decided
fat.
to take a horse to the waterfall.
Why not?
300 pesos each.
And it's 300 pesos per person?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this is yours. Come. Sit down.
Ah, this is
Okay.
you numero uno, Andy.
Number uno.
Really, I'm gonna get up on this horse.
Left.
Oh, this should be interesting.
1, 2, 3.
Vámonos.
Oh dear. Looking good.
Yeah.
All right, my turn.
Uh-oh. This is Nacho cheese.
So it's been a while since I've been up on a horse, but I'm sure it's like riding a bicycle. So this guy's so nice. Hey? And our host for today is Nacho.
Hey. Hello.
Hola.
You ready? Andy?
Yeah.
Okay, pull the side and left side. I'm gonna cross the river. Follow the little boy. Right? Follow him. Left side. Oh my God. Left. Come. Vámonos. Come. Left. Up and side. Left side. Vente. Come. Open down. Okay, come here. Come. Left side. Andale. Vente. Pull. Come here. Oh, wait. Hi, Andri. Dale, vente. Oh. Okay, kick on the stomach, then you follow me. Okay, come here. Vámonos, vente. Okay, come here, kick on the stomach. Kick. Okay, come here, andale. Come, kick on. Kick on, come on, follow me. Come. Follow me, Henry. Follow me, kick on the stomach.
And here we're off. We're going through the river. Look at these saddles. They're actually carved out of wood. So whereas we're used to having leather saddles, this is quite different. They've actually made their own saddles and carved them out of wood. It's incredible.
See, I'm a good boy.
Okay. Taxi, Uber. Mexican Uber for you. Nice price, almost free.
Almost 3.
Almost free.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow is free. Tomorrow in the...
Oh, this is neat. Look at this. We're going into the deep, dark cave. Watch your feet, honey.
Yeah.
Sometimes the horses get too close to the side.
Cuidado con los pies.
And Nacho's having a good time singing. Keeping us entertained. Showing us a little bit of the sights along the way. Have we got Andy?
Andy.
We wait for Andy.
What's that? Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad.
There you go.
There we go.
Navidad, Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. I went no wish
To a Merry Christmas.
I went no wish.
A Merry Christmas.
I went no wish to the Merry Christmas for the
Bottom of my heart.
I went no wish to the Merry Christmas. Lean down, lean back, Henry. Lean back, forward, and lean back.
I'm trying to get Andy to sing because he's now the leader, and the leader must sing.
I went no wish to the Merry Christmas for the battle.
Woo! That was a high note. Very good. Encore, encore.
Hoy por ser tu happy birthday, te las cantamos así. Despierta, Andy, despierta, mira que ya amaneció. Ya los pajarillos cantan a una que se metió. Qué linda está la mañana en que vengo a saludarte. Venimos todos con gusto y placer a felicitarte. El día en que tú naciste, nacieron todas las flores.
And we're coming up to the waterfall now.
Come on, boys.
Wow. Okay, that's not the waterfall, I'm sure. Looks like there's a little restaurant up there or something. So I guess we're gonna go check it out.
Dig it, dig it, dig it.
That horse is getting a nice little wash.
Hey, Margarita, you drink? Maybe.
Oh, well, maybe.
Maybe Margarita.
I haven't eaten today yet, so that would be the first thing I put into my body.
Maybe I have in the coconut.
Ah,
In the coconut.
I like those coconuts.
Yeah. Maybe.
So here we found out that they crack open the coconut, you drink the coconut water, and then if you take it back to the person you bought the coconut from,
Ready?
Yes, sir.
they will crack it open.
You push.
Okay.
Put you is we push for you.
Okay.
Okay.
They're going to push Andy in.
Later, come
No,
here.
they ain't.
First one.
Nacho's a character. So they crack the coconut open for you, and then they cut it all up, and you can eat the coconut meat inside. You going?
5,
Good.
4, 3, backflip.
You first.
That seems a little crazy. All right, go this way.
There's the waterfall.
Aha!
Last I was like, no.
There we go. Very beautiful. Muy bonita.
Hey, look. You don't catch fish today? Only yesterday. Yeah.
This is quite the place. So here's the bar. Hola. And the restaurant with waterfall view. So pretty. So I guess we're gonna stay here for a little bit and get some drinks and some food possibly, and then take our horses back to the beach. So there's people actually swimming in this waterfall. And people are going in.
Did you get him?
I think I just got the tail end of it. Nice job! So he jumped from there to there. Somebody's got some guts. No guts, no glory. We're still waiting for Nacho to jump, but he pretty much said that all the ladies have asked him to jump, but he's not crazy. So I think that he's not going to jump. So we just got our margaritas and we're sitting here by the waterfall view. These don't look like lime margaritas, but they look so pretty, so yummy. So they're pink. It looks like star. I don't know what kind of fruit that is.
Star fruit.
Why don't you try it? Tell me what flavor of margarita it is.
A yummy one. I can't tell you what it is, but it's
No?
delicious. Yeah.
Strawberry, watermelon.
I don't know.
All right, I guess I'll try it. All right, so here we go. Let me see if I can tell you.
Is he jumping?
I
Did
think
he get
because the
naked?
salt in the rim has so much, it's just tasting that. I think it's got a little bit of watermelon, melon, something.
No way.
I'm not sure what it is either, but it is good.
Oh, yeah, I have no idea. But it's delicious, isn't it?
Yum. Can't stop licking my lips from the salt rim. Yum, yum.
But there's a spicy to it. Isn't there? Or is it just me?
In the rim there is.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
No, not the drink.
No.
No. So another beautiful day here. And this is Quimxto. And this is the waterfall here. We like it.
Well worth the trip.
So we were told that when there was it a hurricane they had come through here? You can see in the building behind me, it actually used to have a rooftop on it. It got washed out from the hurricane. The water was so high, it came right through here and just wiped everything out. So since then, they have rebuilt all of this, and they're still in the process of doing so and fixing it up. I thought he was gonna jump, but he's just walking down. Maybe he's getting a, can't jump from there, my goodness, that's a little dangerous. I'm not sure what he's doing. Getting ready for a swim?
Conditioning his hair.
Conditioning his hair. Maybe he's in a model suit.
I don't think so.
I'm just featuring the bathing suit of the day. Oh, and with great hair. The next Fabio.
The next Harlequin romance book. They're shooting the cover. With Nature Man.
Nature Man.
That's what he is. He hadn't had a bath in months. Nature Man.
He's going in. Looks like he's gonna go in. No. He's getting in. That's got to be a strong current right there. Holy smoke. Is he gonna jump? He's gonna wash his hair. Well, that's some place to pick to wash your hair.
It'd be a bad place to twist your ankle and fall.
I know. You look comfortable now.
We've decided he's doing the photo shoot for Harlequin Romance. That's Fabio's son.
Oh, yeah.
If he quit freaking playing with his hair, my God.
Looks like you're
We did just see somebody jump off this side.
Oh, really?
Right before you got here, they jumped off that side.
Oh, wow.
So we've yet to see anybody jump off that.
Yeah.
Because you got to come out a ways.
Yeah.
Quite the show. I don't think he's gonna jump. He's going back up. That was it. All right. Andy's gonna go in. Let's go. Oh, such a show off. I've heard it's cold. I think he said it's cold as hell. And you know what? Andy doesn't mind cold water, which means...
It is cold.
Yeah, there's no way I'm getting in then. Yeah, see ya. You're going the wrong way. Is it too cold? Oh, he stubbed his toe. So these are the stairs to like go from here. And he goes. How's the water, honey?
Brisk. Burr. That's true. Spring water from the mountains. Cold. Really cold.
From the inland.
Ooh, man.
Woo! Yeah. So needless to say,
A little more refreshing than I had bargained for.
I bet.
Let's put it that way.
So needless to say, after that review of the waterfall, there is no way I am going in. No way. So this is Nacho. He is our tour guide for today. He is like the funniest guy you'll ever meet. It's been so much fun.
And very good looking.
And he's got the best singing voice I've ever heard. Oh, and mucho sexy. Mucho sexy. There we go. Look at that hair.
Interview
Look at
with
that.
himself.
Woo!
Yes, this is the man.
Oh,
Yes.
it's Fabio's dad.
Fabio.
There you go. Oh, too funny. Love it.
We found Fabio. Yes. He's right here.
So if you guys are looking for a tour guide to
Yes.
ask for Nacho. He's got all the best horses. They're so calm. They're very beautiful horses.
Or to reach him, Nacho at Quimxto
Nacho at
on Facebook.
Quimxto on Facebook.
On Facebook and YouTube. And YouTube,
And
internet.
YouTube.
Nacho is my name, Nacho Quimxto. Yours is Quimxto, and my name is Nacho.
If you want a nice horse ride
Right.
up to the falls,
Yes.
this is our man.
Thank you. Waiting for yours. Happy New Year.
But it's not a dog.
Merry Christmas, sorry. Merry Christmas, New Year.
See.
Salud.
Thank you.
picked one up on the street, and I asked him what he used it for. He goes, oregano.
This little boy just had his sister on the back. Oh my goodness. On the back of the